There are certain money secrets which the rich people always hides from you. These secrets are really very important for you if you dream to become a millionaire in the future. But the rich people won't even bother to tell you those. Don't worry, in this video we will be telling you 9 secrets of the rich people which will help you to become a millionaire in 2023. Now let's start with the first secret. 1. Not everything is about salary. There are limits to how far you can advance in a job. Eventually, after some time in your job, you will reach your highest earning potential, but it will then stop there. The wealthy understand that making money work hard for you rather than the other way around is crucial for increasing wealth. In fact, Robert Kiyosaki, author of the #1 best-selling book on personal finance, Rich Dad, Poor Dad, based his whole financial philosophy on this idea. The easiest method to achieve this is to generate revenue from passive sources rather than active sources. The revenues from a firm that you do not personally manage on a daily basis, rental properties, dividend-paying securities, and royalties on artistic creations or innovations are examples of investments that provide passive income. 2. Spending must match goals. Having objectives is one of the secrets to wealth, according to Michael Kay, CEO of Financial Life Focus and author of the Feel Rich Project. Wealthy people are aware of their priorities. Maybe it's passing on money to the next generation, maybe it's living a certain lifestyle. They are careful not to waste money on useless stuff. According to Kay, affluent people often only spend money on topics they are passionate about. The rest of us may benefit from this by making our own objectives and then checking to see if our spending is in line with those goals. If you want to know financial secrets daily, then do subscribe our channel and also press the like button. 3. Not to spend money to make others happy. The majority of wealthy individuals don't waste their time and resources on attempting to impress others. They are not competing in a race. They are not concerned with what others may say since they are aware that they have succeeded. In actuality, if successful people had used their hard-earned cash to buy items to keep up with others, many of them would not now be wealthy. Your plans to generate riches will be sabotaged if you spend money to seem wealthy before you are. Therefore, put the Joneses out of your mind and concentrate on what really counts, which is acquiring riches in the years to come. 4. Liquidity should be plentiful. To meet their immediate requirements, the wealthy make sure they have enough liquidity, or cash. In order to avoid having to change their lives due to an unforeseen event, they save an emergency fund. It is not just a result of their riches that wealthy individuals have savings set up for emergencies. Due to their ability to save with self-control, they have monetary reserves. An emergency fund that has enough money in it to last 8 to 9 months should be the goal for everyone. It's not necessary to save all of that money at once, though. Simply said, you need to be putting effort towards that objective with each paycheck. In light of this, set up an automated monthly transfer of a predetermined sum from your checking account to savings. If you don't work on it, it merely makes you a failure. Again, I am reminding you to subscribe our channel. 5. Both asset allocation and location are crucial. Asset allocation advice is probably something you've come across if you've read anything about investing or saving for retirement. To avoid investing your whole portfolio on a single item, you need to have the correct balance of investments. The wealthy, however, are aware that asset placement is just as crucial as asset allocation. In other words, the wealthy don't put all of their assets in a single sort of account, such a tax-deferred savings for retirement account. Instead, they distributed it widely. Rich people also hold investments in brokerage accounts to lessen the impact of taxes on their retirement. 6. Understand the investment fees you are paying. The wealthy also take investing costs into account, but many others do not. As an illustration, a study conducted by the National Association of Retirement Plan Participants found that more than half of employees are unaware that they are paying fees on their workplace retirement savings accounts. But such costs might reduce your earnings. Less money is going into your pocket when your mutual fund or transaction fees increase. The effects of even tiny costs might be significant. The value of your portfolio will be around $30,000 less if you invest $100,000 over 20 years and pay a 1% yearly charge as opposed to 0.25%. To discover what charges you are making, check your account statement. Additionally, you want to compare accounts and investing companies to find those with cheap costs, since this will allow you to maintain more of the money you have worked so hard to save. 7. Appointing advisors is crucial. Rich people surround themselves with experienced tax, legal, and financial specialists. Don't think you need to be wealthy to engage an advisor in order to boost your chances of building money. On the other hand, making an early investment in a support network can later on assist you in achieving your financial goals. You will continue to make the same errors if you continue to blame a lack of money for your inability to turn your life around. Rich people don't attempt to do everything on their own. 8. Tax planning throughout the year is essential. The wealthy begin planning for their tax returns before April arrives. To decrease the burden of taxes, they take actions all year long. The rich can also avoid making costly tax errors with the aid of tax specialists. Regularly consult a tax or financial advisor throughout the year if you have the means to do so. Keep track of any recent developments that may have an impact on your taxes and save any documents or receipts that may be necessary to support your claim for a particular tax reduction. 9. Avoid fees at all costs. Fees can easily eat away at your wealth. Whether it's a late fee on a credit payment, a foreign transaction fee from using a debit card abroad, or an overdraft fee on your checking account, it's important to avoid incurring unnecessary fees. Wealthy people understand every fee they pay means less money in their pockets. Now you know all the secrets of the rich people. If you loved watching this video, then do subscribe our channel and also press the like button. Drop a comment below if you have any query in your mind. Thank you very much for watching this video till here.